Hello, people, and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampadu. Today, we're going to study something about angles in geometry. Now, example 1, find the value of t. Find the value of t in the figure below, this figure. Now, here, this angle is t, this angle is 50 degrees, this angle is x, and this angle is 120 degrees. Now, the question says find the value of t. In order to find the value of t, the first thing you have to do is you find this angle. You find this angle because this angle and this angle are on a straight line. This angle and this angle are on a straight line. So therefore, you can find the value of x. You can find this angle. So first, find angle ABC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC. Let angle ABC equal to x. Let this angle equal to x. Now, angle ABE and angle ABC are on a straight line. Angle ABE and angle ABC are on a straight line. So therefore, angle ABE plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. Now, this is so. Angle ABE plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. This is so because this is a straight line. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. You start from here, 1 degree, 2 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 50 degrees, 100 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees, 160 degrees, 180 degrees. I hope you get it. You start from here, 1 degrees up to 180 degrees. You start from here, 1 degree, 2 degrees, up to 180 degrees. So it means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. It means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. So that is why we got this formula. Angle ABE plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. So 120 degrees plus S is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABE is 120 degrees. Angle ABE is 120 degrees. And angle ABC is X. So 120 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Now I want to find S. So we make S stand alone at one side of the equal sign. So at this point, we make S stand alone at the left side of the equal sign. So you have to move this 120 degrees to the other side of the equal sign. And note this, that whenever a number or a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. Whenever a number or a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So when its sign is negative, it changes to positive. And when its sign is positive, it changes to negative. When its sign is positive, it changes to negative. And when the sign is negative, it changes to positive. Now here, 120 degrees is positive. 120 degrees is positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. It becomes negative. So therefore, S is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So S is equal to 60 degrees. Now I've finished one part of the question. We are finished with one part of the question. Now the other part is to find the value of t. Now here, this part is x. It's called 60 degrees. Now the second part of the question is the t. Find the value of t. Now, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the interior angles, these are the interior angles. These are the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these angles is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ABC plus angle BAC, this angle plus angle ACB, this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to S is equal to 60 degrees. Angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to T. Angle ACB is equal to 50 degrees. So you put the values into the equation. You put the values into the equation. So therefore we get 60 degrees plus T plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We get 60 degrees plus T plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now we group like terms. So therefore we get T plus 60 degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So T plus 60 degrees plus 50 degrees we get 110. So T plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now I want to find T. So we make T stand alone at the left hand side of the equal sign and we move the 110 to the other side of the equal sign, to the right hand side of the equal sign. So therefore we get T is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Now whenever a number or a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So when the sign is negative, it changes to positive. And when its sign is positive, it changes to negative. Now here this sign is positive. So when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. So therefore we get T is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So therefore T is equal to 70 degrees. So T is equal to 70 degrees. So the final answer, T, the value of T is 70 degrees. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe and hit the bell button because more will be coming. I'll be sending more videos your way. So please hit the bell button, like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.